I want to go through the gate and show you guys the front yard first. Go through this little walking gate. So this is the front yard. Let's just take a look around. Got big, beautiful, mature pine trees along the outside, along the fence. And you got some big, beautiful mesquite trees over here. Nice desert landscaping, couple cactus, yucca tree, very nice. More cactus. So of course the first entrance gate is over here off of Manse. And I came in through the second gate off of Elizabeth. Over there, we've got a nice circle driveway here. Goes around. And the gate is over there. Very beautiful. Very cozy. All right, let's take a look at the covered front patio. We have handicap accessible ramps to get up to the front door. Door here for the patio. A lot of space. Nice big size patio. All right, let's go take a look inside. So here's the living room. Nice open space. Fireplace. Family room, dining room area. Living room area. Very nice wide open spaces. You have your skylight window up here, lots of bright light. In your kitchen area. Refrigerator, stove, dishwasher, sink area. Lots of cabinets. Lots of cabinet space, storage space, countertop space. All right, let's go take a look at the master. So this is the master bedroom. Nice size. Very big and open in this master bedroom. You have your master closet. Wow, it's so big. Very big closet. Walk-in closet. Your master bathroom. Shower area. And then this is your linen closet area. Lots of nice open space in here. Feels really big, very spacious, I should say. Now across the house on the other side, down this hall, are two other bedrooms. There's a bedroom here. Closet. Nice size closet. And the third bedroom here. And it has a closet as well. And then your second full bathroom. Shower. Very nice. Then your laundry room area would be through the kitchen. Right here. Your washer dryer, you got some cabinets. So that's the inside. Now we can go to the backyard. So we also have a handicap accessible ramp in the back part of the house as well. Makes it very easy to go in and out of the house. This is the backyard. Very large, open space. Your two-car garage. And the garage is a detached garage. I'll take you guys in there in just a moment. Let's take a look at the rest of the backyard. So over here in this back corner is a garden area and your well system. So this property does have septic and well. So this little area here, you walk on in. So here's your well. You've got some hoses that connect to the irrigation. And then over here is where your garden area is. So you have all kinds of vegetables. There's some tomatoes going down there. And whatever vegetables you choose. You've got those large mature pine trees back here. Okay, let's go take a look at the inside of the garage. So this is a detached garage, two-car garage. It's actually very large. Could fit quite a bit in here. Very large garage. And it's got a side door. Pretty cool. So this concludes the video tour of 1770 Manse Road.